Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on Cycle Fanatics. So I got my 2020 Road Glide Special in Barracuda silver denim right behind me. And today's video, we're gonna just go through a couple small upgrades. Not too many, I think I did 2 or 3 to the bike. We're gonna do it slow because in a couple days I have to drop the bike off at JD Cycle Works over in Nazareth, Pennsylvania, over by Dyno Dave, to get the S&S 475 cam installed, as well as Chrome Works black chrome Eclipse 2x2 pipes, also Screaming Eagle high flow air intake, as well as a custom dyno tune. So this puppy's gonna be roaring. I can't wait. So you're definitely gonna wanna stick around for some more videos about this bike. But before we do that, do me a favor, go to my channel, click that subscribe button, and click that bell. So this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos. And do me a favor, give this video a like. So anyway, a couple days ago we had the first group ride. It really worked out well. About 10 guys showed up. I wanna thank you guys again for coming out, and we had a really good time because we went to a bike and breakfast event over at the marketplace in Palisades, New York. Dale, the founder, he has them all over the country as well as the Philippines. I met him, what a great guy. So I think what we might do is it is actually the first Sunday of every month. The group rides, I realized, are a little bit too kind of hectic, because everybody has a different riding style, and to keep everything together, it's kind of tough. And I really can't get good footage because I'm leading the ride. And so I think we're just gonna meet there actually in Palisades, New York, every first Sunday of every month. So this way we can meet there. Any new subscribers or current subscribers want to come out and meet everybody, the guys, meet me. I would love to meet you guys. So come on out. Again, every first Sunday of every month, 8 a.m. at the marketplace, Palisades, New York. I believe it's 243 9W in Palisades, New York. You guys could check it out, look it up. I'll leave the address down below in the descriptions. Also down below in the descriptions, check out all the merch. It's right there underneath this video in the carousel. Check out all the Cycle Fanatics merch, as well as Patreon. If you guys could support the channel, that'd be fantastic. So anyway, let me go over a couple of the small mods that I did to the bike. And we're gonna have a lot more upgrade videos as time goes on. But let me show you guys the small little things that I did so far to it. All right, so here's the bike. So temporarily, I actually took off the stock windshield off the bike. It was probably about that high. This is actually from my other Road Glide. It's a 12-inch Harley windshield in clear. So I actually ordered a windshield from Freedom Shields. Check them out, freedomshields.net. Use my code for a 10% discount. Their windshield is absolutely fantastic. It is almost twice the thickness of any other windshield I've seen. Use my code Cycle Fanatics, one word, to get a 10% off discount. And they have some fantastic windshields, all different sizes, and they have a really easy to use sizing chart on their website. It is www.freedomshields.net to use, which is pretty cool. So the first thing I did, I put some Willie G axle nut covers. I think that's like a first easy mod that I like to do to cover up them axle nuts and axle bolt. So I got that on. And then we got some Highway Pegs Defiance black high gloss brackets with Defiance, I think that is Defiance Highway Peg. And I also got the Defiance hand grips, which are not on. Dave's also going to be installing my new pair of Factory 47 14-inch rise bars for me, so I'm just going to have him do that to match the highway pegs. Looks real good, and I could still put the canvas lowers on in rain or in cold weather. I had a nice setup here for the 360 camera, but the camera actually fell off. Check it out. So yeah, I had to go back and get the camera. So I'm actually going to be removing this setup I have here for the 360. I'm actually going to be putting the 360 mount up there, which will give me a better angle. So this way you guys have a great angle, great view of my bike and all the other bikes on group rides. And then what I also like to do, because I can't stand that super tall antenna, basically about 12 inches up from the base of the antenna, I basically take a pair of dikes, chop it. I take a black dice right there, and basically drill a hole through the number one. I don't know if you can see that. Drill a hole, put some crazy glue, and put it right on top. I think it just, instead of the little cap, I just think it gives it a little cool touch, because I can't stand that 4-foot antenna. Then also what I did, let me show you guys, I changed out the rear and front turn signals and parking lamps to the halos. And also all the links will be down below in the description. If you guys want to check out all the products that I'm using and parts, you could check them out online. And this is like a halo design LED. It looks really good at night, and it's super, super bright. And let me just show you. When you put the turn signal on, it's yellow. Or the hazards. And when you don't have a turn signal or your hazards on, they are bright as hell. So that's the front. And then the rear is LED halos as well. So a quick tip for changing these out, because there's a lot of times people have a problem putting it in the socket. The socket actually, if you actually can put the 2 pins in, I believe it's about 180 degrees out. And if you do that, the light will not work properly. So you think you install all 4 of them correctly, and then you go to turn on your bike, and then basically they're not working. So my recommendation to you guys is leave the ignition on. You don't have to have the bike started. But basically this way, once you take out the bulbs, when you put that socket in, this light should be shining white like that. Because if you do put it out 180 degrees wrong, it's going to be shining yellow. And that's telltale sign that you know you've installed it incorrectly. So make sure you have the ignition on, so this way, if it turns white, it's going to be correct. Procedure for the back, make sure you leave it on.
Hey, my man.
I see this. I think Sandy's live streaming. He just got here. Say hi to Sandy.
Hi to Sandy.
So anyway, he just stopped by in the middle of me making my video. He stops by, ruins my production over here. Anyway, let me show you guys what he did to his Electroglide here.
Let me start with the lights if you want. Look at these. Look at these.
So he did the same Pro Beam
Signal lights, yeah.
signal lights, parking lights.
Hey, welcome back. And I'm back.
Jeez, Sandy just went live. Nice.
I
Turn them on. Hit the brake.
Okay, I put I think it's called a triple play, and it does. It's a module
Hit the brake. Hit the brake. Let me see. Hold it. Oh, so it flashes a couple
flashes
times. I like
and
that.
a stronger LED.
Oh yeah.
And it also uses these as running lights. A standard
right,
Electroglide,
right.
it's not. These are not on.
Nice. We switched front and back all LED. He did, which is cool. Rise, really nice.
It did. Thank you.
It
Yeah,
actually,
like
they
46.
actually look like factory 47 bars. How much were they?
Like $400, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, because
They're not. How much is the ones that?
factory 47 14-inch rise probably about $500. But
Okay,
these were okay. That's
But
similar.
I think the factory 47
Inch and a half.
are even thicker. This is an inch 25, like 125.
Yeah, 1 1/4. Yeah.
Right.
No, but this looks really nice.
nice.
I think it's perfect height on the bike too. It
Yeah.
looks really good.
And of course, I put
Right,
rider,
yeah.
passenger, and I
I have
changed
no
the
idea
seat.
why it doesn't ride anybody.
No, my daughter loves it, and a new seat. It's not the solo seat.
Oh, right. That's right.
Because I wanted
you
to
got
take her.
that. You got that from where?
I switched
Harley?
with somebody on Facebook.
Oh,
Believe it or
nice.
not, he never used it.
So he's got the KST 12-inch rise bars. He has the Sony 7000, right?
Yeah, XAV 7000.
XAV 7000. Let me just lower the volume. I think Big Guy's changing to that, and Nick as well.
Yeah,
I believe
they told-
both of
right,
them.
right,
I
told
believe
me.
both of them are going to be changing
Right.
out
course
to
they
that. You got the
Highway pegs.
highway pegs right there.
Right. That's pretty much at this stage.
Oh, you got the heat deflectors.
Oh, right. Yeah, heat deflectors. And I don't know if you talked about this, but like this for my daughter, so I can take her.
Yep, got that.
Yeah. And
That's it.
pretty much. Oh, yeah. By the way, I just ordered mirrors. I'm going to get blacked out mirrors. I
Oh,
don't
you
like
put them down.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they were flipped. And I had to, this one was here. and here was there. So,
Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Oh, absolutely. How's the visibility?
Great.
Perfect.
I'm used to it.
Because you're up 12 inches.
Yeah, and
right.
your
Your hands are up
pretty
here.
Look you're smelling your armpits and you see
Well,
the,
your
you see-
arms here, and you're basically looking underneath, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, say goodbye, Sandy.
Goodbye, Sam.
So anyway, those are the little upgrades that I have done to my bike so far. Have a lot more actually in the garage, but I just haven't had the time to put them on yet. I'm gonna do it slowly, send those videos out to you guys. Bike is going over to JD Cycle Works in a couple days here, getting all that work done. Exhaust, camshaft, stage 2, full dyno tune. Can't wait to see the horsepower numbers. Also, I'm going to be putting out a video as far as stock numbers on a 107, stock numbers 114. Then I'll show you like stage 2 horsepower torque numbers, as well as with the 114 stage 2 numbers, horsepower torque. So this way you guys can see the difference. But anyway, lights so far, turn signals, rear turn signals, parking lamps, LED, highway pegs, and that's about it for now. But anyway, there's a lot more coming, so do me a favor, guys, click that subscribe button. There's a little logo right there. You could click on it, click subscribe, and give this video a like, and see you guys on the next one. Take care.